Hey y'all, so today I'm bringing you a very first wig install video. This is my first ever wig purchase. And I think it's alright. So I got this wig from online. It's the Bobbi Boss 13x4 lace front wig. It's a Swiss lace and it's pretty much bone straight in the color 2, which is like natural brown. Here we have the lace I'm showing you. Like I said, it's Swiss lace, Bobbi Boss, brown, and these are the combs that comes with in the back. There's like one in the back, and there's two like at the crown of the head, which is kind of weird. I don't really know where it's gonna go, but it's there for a reason, I guess. Yeah, and this wig was definitely like a little snug fitting. But keep that in mind when you're wearing this. Yeah, here again, I'm just showing the lace again up close, and you can see the parting is there. It already came pretty sparse, but I did go back in there and did some more parting, plucking to my liking. So here I am putting it on, just goofing off because I was like, oh my god, my first wig. This is what I look like with long straight hair. Never seen that before. That's the lace front right there again. Just poking its face out. So at this part I've already done some plucking, and I feel like I've over plucked, like just a little bit, maybe not just, maybe a little bit. Plucking too much. I plucked on that side, and then the other side isn't plucked yet. So as I said, as before and after, right there. It actually did turn out okay. So I didn't worry too much about that, I guess. Alright, so this is the finished look. It's not, I kind of messed it up maybe a little bit, and I didn't do my edges, so you can see the lace really strong, but that's not gonna be a problem because one, far away, hopefully you won't be able to see that. And two, I will be wearing a hat. Because you can't tell where how bad it looks. But it also looks good. The hair is very good. If you're a professional, I've definitely seen this style so well, especially with all the other videos on YouTube, the same unit. Would I buy this again? I want to say yes. I feel like I would buy another wig, maybe, just for the heck of it, or replace this if it got damaged. Okay, so this is it in natural lighting, I guess, from my window. Like I said, it's really not that shiny at all, but it looks really good. Feeling super fresh and cute. Can't wait to show the peoples. Alright, so yeah. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, let me know what you think about the unit, or give me some tips on what I could have done better. And don't forget to leave a like if you liked it, I guess. Thanks. Bye, guys. What I really want to say is that my back is killing me. Like, I've been standing for like 5 hours all day, for 7 hours at work. I don't know how long. And I'm standing up for 5 more hours plus to do my hair, wash my hair. I washed it today, deep conditioned it. Wash, condition, deep condition, cornrow, and install this wig, and film this. Literally my back, oh my god, I think that's what's killing me. I need to lay down. I need to sit down. I'm usually tired from sitting down all day. Now I'm tired of standing up, which is more common than this.